Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Little Learners. Today I am saying the amazing facts of fish. Fish are an animal that lives in waters. They can be found in oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. Fish breathe underwater using gills, which take oxygen from water. Most fish have scales covering through bodies and fins to help them swim. Some fish are very colorful like crawnfish, which lives in coral relief. Many fish swims in groups called schools, which helps them stay safe from the predators. Fish eats a variety of food such as plants, insects, and small fish. Most fish lays eggs which hatch into baby fish called fry. Some fish lives in the fresh waters like rivers, while others lives in the salt water like the ocean. Nemo, from the movie Finding Nemo, is a crawnfish and Dory is a blue tang. Fish use their tails and fins to move quickly through the water. Fish does not have eyelids so they can't be blind. Fish are cold bodied, meaning their body temperature changes with the water temperature. Fish are an important part of food chain, both as predator and prey. People keep fish in the aquarium as pet, where they can create mini underwater worlds. Fish communicate each other using sounds, colors, and movements. Exploring the world of fish can teach us a lot about the marine life and ecosystems. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe.